Hello friends, today we are going to see how we can use Loom videos. As you all know, Trinity project are asking video presentation from its fifth project onwards. Without video presentation, they will not accept your projects. Okay, there should be a separate video link area. There you need to paste your presentation, video presentation link, and then only you can able to submit your project. And without presentation, even if you submit your project will not be accepted, or you will your project may get rejected. So you need a video presentation, and most some of them are having difficulty in making videos in Loom. So I tried to rectify their issues through these videos. If you are first time watching my videos, please go back to my page and please subscribe my page and like and share my videos if you like my videos. Okay, that will be a great motivation for me. Coming back to our video section, how to make a Loom video. It is simple. Just go to Google Chrome and just put Loom and search. You get this interface. In that you can. This is the emblem of Loom video. Click on this one, this link. As I already uh, sign in, they directly when this type of page will open when you click on Loom video search. Then here one another thing come, get a Loom video for free. That time you get such a display where you need to put your mail here, and you put your mail. As I have already have one account, directly they sent me to my account. If you are new to Loom, what should be they do? They ask to download Loom application. You need to download the application. They giving application for Windows and as well as Mac. So you need to download, or you need to download Chrome extension, add Chrome extension. Also with Chrome extension you can run Loom videos, but there is some restrictions in Loom extension and Loom app. Loom app, you can use more functions than Loom extension. Okay, so you need to either you need a Loom extension, or you need to download and install the app. I installed the app in my video, and Loom give a free version of 15 days, and it will be that time only you can use more than 5 minutes. That time free period you can use, you can create big videos, but after that you, after the ending of free service, you need to either pay the money to use their service, or you can create only 5 minute video. So when opening the account, you are new to this Loom video, they started to give each step. You follow that step only. First they ask to enter your details, then ask to download their app. After downloading, they ask some more details. After creating, and they ask you to create your first video. Or here some in library, you can, in my library, this is the library. In library also you have a new video option. There you can record the video or upload the video. So once you click the record video here, or this one also record video, here this interface, see, came allow while visiting the site. See, they asked to various things they asked to do. This If you install this type of link, they will give integrated website. All this thing should be on. Your video should always need uh, your video always need such a video presentation interface. Otherwise your project will not be acceptable, because they uh, want to know what is going on there. Whether you are the real face, or whether your project are doing by someone else, so for that purpose they are asking such a uh, way of presentation. Okay. And when up to full time your video camera should be on, and your should be face inside this screen. Otherwise they will not accept your video. So you need to check whether your camera is on, whether your microphone is on. All these things you need to check. After that you need to start recording. So I just off the camera, because I am running on another application, and I am recording the screen record. So if both software run, this will be a problem. That case, I am off this camera. But always the full time video, you need your video play on this circle, this area. Otherwise they will not accept. After that you need to start putting recording. So it start recording. See, they are asking what to record. We need to enter screen. You need to select enter screen. Then you need to on the audio system. I just off, because alternatively there is some other application for online recording is going on. That why I off all such things. Otherwise it will be a problem. Okay, then you need to put share option, then put hide. So they start here, because this is a no, free version. Only 5 minutes I can do. Okay, that is reducing the time. Started recording. You can go here and there. You can go another page. You can go other pages, come back, then stop, click on stop button. Now your video will be generated within time. You need to see, this is your video. uh, you can, so they start here, see here and there. Other thing is running. Okay. This is my video. You can get video link here. You need to copy, this link is copied. Then what you need to, you go back. You need to check every time link separately. You need to copy this link to your project page, and also you can uh, go to load. This is IMDb movie. Submit. See, this is the drive link. Here you need to select the project IMDb movie analysis. Then see they show drive link. Here your project link you need to get. Here your video link you need to copy and paste. This should be uh, correct link you need to put. Okay, you need to check, you paste to your report, and also you try whether you can able to enter there. That you need to check, otherwise you will be in trouble. Okay, also you can download duplicate or download. This is a this is the problem, because this is not this is a free version, they not allow. But during the 15 days trial period, you can able to download your video, or from some other source, try to download this video and keep with you. Or if you can, you able to download this video, please upload to Google Drive also. Your page drive also you need to upload, because after 15 days you can't think whether they keep this video on your page or they remove. You don't know. Okay, because this is part of your project evidence, you need to upload on your drive also, or otherwise store in your computer also. So this way you can do Loom video. But Loom video, if you are doing in everything in 5 minutes, then it's okay with Loom video. Other case, you need to go to another video, online video creating section is there, that I want to show. There is some other type of video creators are there. You need to go there. That is Apowersoft. That is Apowersoft. You need to go Apowersoft. I just want to search online recorder. You need to put online recorder. Um this is the recorder, a Powersoft online recorder. Just go there, click there. It showing start recording. Okay, you need to click start recording. You need to click here also. I am not going to click this. This is your webcam. They will open this webcam and start to record your face. So if you not click, it will not, that round will not come on this software. Okay, those who have problem with the Loom videos, you can use a Powersoft instead of Loom. This will be you can record long videos, no problem. After the use of project also, you can use this one. Only the web version you need to use. Okay, don't download this software. Download section, they ask you to payment, or they that is not a free version. Free version only available in web only. So that you need to know. Okay, you need to click this one, and microphone also. Okay, I just off both, because already my software is running. This should be hide extension, no need. Just I decline all this, accept all cookies, then put start recording. You need to click start recording, same as that Loom video. You can see same way Chrome window entire screen. You need to click this one. You need to on the video system, then you need to put share. That time, see, I will going to share, see this, and you need to hide this one. They start recording. Okay, everything they will start showing. Then need to stop this one. Okay, you stopped, then the entire video come here. You can download a mp4 file, not original file. Don't download that, should be some other format. mp4, it came here, see, recording came here. I just click this one, see. See whatever recording, because I didn't want the camera. If I on the camera, there as like Loom, there should be a round area, and there your video will be continuously played. So that will be an evidence. After downloading, you need to uh, upload that video to Google Drive, and copy the link and paste the link to your project, as well as to the video link they asked in Trinity project. There you need to put all these things. So hope you understand my videos. If you are watching my videos first time, please go back to my videos, my page, and please subscribe my page. And if you like my videos, please like videos and share my videos to your friends. I hope you people understand how to make the Loom videos. Thank you.